Would you like to learn how to scale and expand your Google AdWords campaigns with keywords and search terms which your potential customers are using on Google? Keep watching and I'll show you how. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. In this video, I'm going to show you a very simple and easy way on how to find new search terms and keywords which you need to add or constantly add to your campaigns so that you are scaling and expanding your AdWords campaigns. Once you are in your AdWords interface, you go to keywords and then you go to search term and search terms. And here is where you will find the search terms or search queries which customers are using on Google to find you or find services like you. So if you see a little green tick with an added, that means that that keyword is already in your account or in your campaigns. But the ones which have got none, that may be potentially added. So if I see a keyword or a phrase which is relevant to my campaign and is giving me good results, and by results I mean whether you are getting more clicks, CTR is good, or even conversions, then you ought to include that in your campaign. So as you can see that I've already added quite a few keywords in here, but there are some which haven't been added. So at the moment on this one I've only had one click and one impression, so there isn't enough data for me to justify adding this key phrase in here. So I'm just going to go through this list and see if potentially there is a term which could be really good for my campaign. So at the moment there isn't any, so that's fine. So from this search term report you can also find negative keywords. So if you find a search term which is triggering your ad and you're getting impressions and clicks which are not relevant to your campaign, then you can add them as a negative keyword. So this is the place where you need to come in regularly, at least once a week if not more, and then keep filtering out and finding some really good keywords or phrases which you can add or add them as negative keywords to make your AdWords campaigns more profitable. So to recap, all you need to do is to go to your keywords tab and then search terms, and in the drop down menu search terms again, and you will find all your list of search terms in here which you can either add or exclude from your campaigns. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to be notified of other videos like this one, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell notification icon and you'll be the first one to get notified. I thank you for your time and I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.